Crystal Doreen. Okay, guys. I had ordered this package Monday. It's my SkinnyFit that I ordered. And I actually saw this advertisement on Facebook. And, I was liking it. I was feeling the little advertisement. Because, your girl's a little bit big in the stomach area. So, I decided, let me give this product a run for my money. Let me see if it's worth it. Let me see if it works for me. So, I ordered it. And now I'm about to do an unboxing for you guys. So let's get this show on the road. Let's see how this got. And I don't got no scissors. Matter of fact, I'm about to do it like this, guys. Oh, God. Matter of fact, I'm gonna be smart. Stop being slow. And just do this, Crystal. Now. And we're gonna see. Oh, God. So, we got the SkinnyFit Detox Energizing Tea. I guess this is for the morning. This is for the morning. And it says, easy as 1, 2, 3. Drink SkinnyFit Detox daily. Steep SkinnyFit Detox in an 8-ounce of hot water for 5 to 7 minutes, or do a cold brew by leaving it in the fridge overnight. Enjoy hot or cold. So that's the morning one. And this is nighttime detox blend. Okay. And this is the grand finale. The super youth that I got. And it says, support youthful looking skin, promote healthy weight, support lean and healthy muscles, support okay. Sorry, my phone done cut off. I don't know why. But yeah. This is what I got. The super youth. And I'm gonna be trying this today, guys. The morning one, I'm definitely gonna be trying. I don't know why it keeps cutting off, like, but anyway, yeah. So let me see what it smells like, cause I'm real funny when it comes to like certain powders, and it be stinking and shit. So oh, okay. It don't smell that bad though. I guess I had to shake it up. Oh, okay. It's odorless. And it's tasteless. That's what it says. So, we're gonna see about that. So, guys, I'm gonna be using these products today. So, the energizing tea is for the morning. And then the nighttime detox is for the night. And I'm going to be putting 1 scoop in both teas when I do the teas. And by the way, guys, what was I about to say? yeah, I'm gonna do the thing. Not right now. You know what I'm saying? Not right now. I'm not gonna do it now because I'm already drinking apple cider vinegar now, and yeah, I don't wanna mix that with this right now. So I might do it like around 10 or 11 when I wake back up because I am gonna go back to sleep, by the way. And when I wake back up, I'ma do it, but I'ma take a picture of it. I'm not gonna do a video because I figure if I do a video, I don't know. I don't know. I'll see. I'll see how I feel. I might do a video and just edit all of this with it. It just be one video. Matter of fact, I might just do that. So stay tuned. But like I said earlier, I'm not doing my intro today because you know my face is still swollen. And granted, I am making videos now with my face still swollen, but still, it's an intro. You know, I don't want to do that. Even though I said I get on here and I do a raw, but bitch, that is like OD. That is like too raw. You know. But anyway, would you come look at this? But yeah, so like I said, I want my face to be zip zap wham bam boom when I do my intro because honey child, it has to look good. Okay. Okay. And